Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I'm gonna do a 2010 Dodge Caliber, the oxygen sensor, bank one, sensor one, which is on. There's two of them on this car. Basically, one is before the CAD and one is after the CAD, which is the after one is the one we're changing is the upstream. And then that's toward the engine, and the downstream is actually after the CAD, it going toward the exhaust system in the back. Okay, and it's gonna be like COVID-19 version because I do not have my videographer right now, so I'm just doing my phone. Hopefully they can help you out. Basically, as you can see, this one here, this is the upstream sensor. And then there's the wire harness here, right there. You can see. If I can't see clear, I'm sorry, but my videographer is not here today, so I'm trying to do a quick version of it. All right, 2010 Dodge Caliber oxygen sensor removal. Here's the part you need. The tools you need is this one here is the needle nose plier, a flat screwdriver, and a ratchet wrench, and this here is used for the oxygen sensor itself, which is have this here, but put the wire harness through this, and then just like that. Okay, this one is size is it's a 22 millimeter. As you can see, it's right there. All right, I recommend that you get one of these, and it's much easier to use. And here is the oxygen sensor part number. I get it from Advanced Auto. It's a Bosch, and part number is, let me see, 15124. It's right there, and that's what it is. Let me pause real quick. Let me see if I can take it out for you. Let me see. Kind of hard to video and showing the part at the same time. And here's the wire harness, and this is what it looked like. Okay, that's what it is. That is the part number, and that's the parts. First thing I want to do is remove the wire harness right here, which there's a clip right here. I can see you press it and then just pull, bring this apart like that. Sorry, a little blurry, but press it. Let me see if I can try show you, but I think you know how to do it, but I need two hands to get this done. Press it down and pull it out just like that. Okay, and that's what it looked like right there. And that's the old one. Okay, and this is it right here. All right, so make your life easier, that's why I remove the wire harness first. So basically the wire harness can go through here just like this, put it like that, and then slide into the like that. All right, there you go. Make sure it's nice and snug. I can see that's how it is right there. I just use a wrench and take it out. All right, hopefully I can show it to you, but so you put it snug and then use a wrench and take it out. Okay, here we go. So wrench, ratchet wrench. It's nice and snug, and then you just try to break first, break it loose, and then twist it out. All right, that's all you need to do. Basically, you need to break it loose first, and then it's to come out nice and easy. All right, you can see it's coming out easy. So what you do is just take out your wrench and go with your hand and take it out just like that. I think I got it loose already, so let me show you. Here you go. So basically I just tap it so it makes this tool loose, just like that. Just take it out. Okay, and then just twist it out. I can see right there. Nice and easy. A lot of people like get it from the bottom. They think it's easy, but maybe it is. But for me, there's better access up here, I think. And yeah, it is. That's what it looks like. Okay. Okay. As you can see, this is the old one right here. This is the new one. You want to compare, make sure the same length and everything, and the size is correct. As you can see, to me it's the same right now. It looks exactly the same. Here's it for the comparison. Okay, and let's put a new one in. The size is the same. Okay. Here's the new one. And you will take the plastic off cover. Sorry. Here you go. As you can see, there's grease there. It was pre-greased already, so you don't have to put any grease on it. Okay, where the thread is, you can see slight grease. Okay, let's go for it. I want to show you that so you don't have to grease it anymore. But there's no grease there. You should put some grease on it where the thread is, just a little, so it'll be easier to take out next time. All right, let's just install this. So basically, just twist it back in, and then snap on a wire harness, and you're good to go. All right, I'm back. Let's do this. Twist this in. It's right there. By your hand first, nice and easy. Okay. I'm tiptoeing, sorry guys. So, ladies and gent. Yeah, this is a COVID-19 quarantine ratings right now. Version of it. Okay, that's good. You want to tighten that up first. All right. So you want to like do the sensors first, not the wire harness section of it. Do that second, because it's easier if you have to move the wire harness around or something. Because you're gonna put in the tool for it. So that way, go through the harness. And that's it right there. And what you do, just tighten it back. Go. It'll be nice and snug. You can see better here. Sorry, I'm blocking it though. A little more. Just want to put it nice and snug, and that's it. Taking it out. If you have a torque, you can do that, but you gotta look up for the spec. If you're doing a torque with me, just snug it in. That's it. All right, take that tool back out, slide it through the wire harness. So that's what it looked like right there. Almost done. One more step to go is snapping back the wire harness, and then we are good. Put this back, cover it. Okay, so basically, here is the wire harness. What you want to do is just slide them in. As you can see, there's only one way in and one way out. So just snap it in, you can hear it, and that is in. Okay, all you need to do, nice and easy. And that is how to change the oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. All right. For this part number, the upstream and the downstream exactly the same part number. All right. If you go advanced auto, it's exactly the same, and it's only 2 sensors for this 2010 Dodge Caliber SQT. That's what mine is. So, all right. Thank you for watching Tech Time with you guys, and good luck. And that was pretty quick and easy. Wire harness and take out the sensor and put a new one in. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe, comments if you haven't subscribed yet, comments, and if you need something to be done, just let me know. I can try get it, show you, or recommend you anyway, whatever you need to be done. All right, usually I get the parts at Advanced Auto. Usually you get when you do online, you get like 20% discount, or you can go another one. It's at rockauto.com. That's pretty good too. Can't beat the price, and the quality is great at rockauto.com. But I just want to do it quickly, so I just get it from Advanced Auto. Take care, thank you, and have a good day. Be safe.